Hello guys, welcome back to my unboxing video. In this video I'll be unboxing precision power sharpening. This tool can pretty much sharp everything like knives, screwdrivers, scissors and household tools. Now let's open it. And here is the machine which is operated by batteries. Let's find out which type of battery it is. And in the box we'll be having the instruction manual and all. Now let's keep it aside. Now let us open this machine. And here is the tray to collect the particles which has been sharp, meaning the unwanted particles. And I think it goes here like this. Yeah, like this. And yeah, here is the battery part. Now let us open it. And it's a AA battery which is required 4 of them. Let's insert them.
Here we go.
Maybe this should work. Let's find out. Nope. Maybe I have put the battery on the wrong direction. Let us find out. Yep, and there it goes. It's working. Maybe you guys can't hear the sound. Now let us open this cap for you to see the motor. And there it is. Okay, now let's find out how it sharps. Let us put it back. As you can see, this knife is not that sharp. Now let us sharp it. Now let us sharp it on the other side too. Okay, maybe that's sharp enough, and it's a hot. Now let's find out. And that is pretty sharp. Yep, it is sharp. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Like this you can sharp any instrument you want, and here the particles will collect, like the black stuff which you can see. Maybe you guys can't see. I'll just show you. Yep, the black stuff here. I think you guys can see it. Yeah, there you go. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe. The link for this product will be in the description below. Do buy it. Thank you guys for watching it. Please like this video and do subscribe.